I am probably butchering their name, but Jeudemeure just gifted me their Dermishuttle lifting kit. Now this is an 8-week anti-aging kit that is really designed to give you proven, lovely, powerful ingredients deeper into your skin using their Dermishuttle technology. And how this comes is so amazing. You get all of the ingredients freeze dried in their own separate capsules, and then you add the booster ampule to those, and each one will last 2 weeks and has its own applicator. So you have 2, 4, 6, 8 weeks of application here. And what this promises is lifting and wrinkle reversal. Now, as I understand it, freeze drying ingredients is an industry standard. It's a really great way to keep those ingredients super, super fresh before you add the liquid and turn it into whatever it's meant to be. The coolest part here is that you are mixing these when you are ready to mix them, so it's as fresh as possible. Instead of serums that you order online that may have been sitting on shelves for weeks to months to possibly over a year before you're actually applying it to your face, this you start applying as soon as you blend these two together. And then I also love the key ingredients in this. None of them are going to be super active. None of them concern me. They're all really nice for sensitive skin. The first one is hyaluronic acid, which is well loved for providing more hydration and helping plump your skin. And then it has collagen in it, which I am not really sold on applying collagen onto your skin, but it does have that Dermishuttle technology, so maybe it really is pushing that collagen more into your skin. That said, it should still help with overall skin smoothing and hydration again. And then it has peptides, which I really love, as those are promised to help signal your skin cells to repair and ramp up collagen, which are really those key anti-aging elements you want. Now, I am not a dermatologist. I am going off of what I have learned and what this brand is promising, but those are all ingredients that I use in my daily skincare as is. So I really love the clean ingredients in this. And then it really comes down to this Dermishuttle technology. And as I understand it, what this company has done is made a form of technology that almost works like liquid microneedling. And there are a variety of liquid microneedling options out there. So it gets this deeper into your skin, so you really are getting all these ingredients. Now, it is still minimal. You are getting cosmetic penetration, not super deep like you can with the deeper microneedling treatments. Now, the first step is to create my first round of serum, and to do that, all I need to do is twist off the tops here, pour the liquid into the solid, and then let it sit without shaking it for an hour. And that's to really let it have its time to be reactivated, to turn into that serum. And at the end of that, I can shake it if I want to, and then I can apply it, and it comes with this really nice, simple applicator that does have a twist on and off top. So really nice and clean all around. Let's see how this goes. It's been a week, and I gotta tell you, this is way more powerful than I expected. It wasn't clear to me how the Dermishuttle technology worked, and I didn't know if that was just a fancy word. So I figured this would just be really wonderfully hydrating, which it is. It is so, so nice to put on. The main jar is glass, and then this top little piece is plastic. And when you first mix it, at least for me, it was definitely more like a gel when it was super fresh. And as it's gotten older, since we're a week in now, it's more liquidy, but you just want to squeeze that little top thing to the side, and that helps it come out a lot more easily. And then it just goes in so nicely, no smell, absorbs beautifully. Where I got myself in trouble with this is that I didn't realize how powerful the Dermishuttle technology really is. Now, what Jeudemeure explained is that it's a lot more like microneedling in a bottle, that it really is designed to deeply penetrate. And they recommend waiting a long time before you add anything else on top of this, as anything you put on it is going to absorb with it. But their instructions are kind of fuzzy. Some things say wait 3 minutes, some say wait 5 minutes, some say wait 30 minutes. So I was giving it 5 minutes and then adding my actives. I was adding my 20% vitamin C in the morning and my 0.1% tretinoin in the evenings. And I'm gonna tell you right now, don't do that. I almost immediately realized how powerful this is because my actives turned up a notch in a way that my skin was not ready for. It didn't damage my skin. It's only been a few days, but I did have to stop everything active, and I stopped this and just went to super sensitive skincare for a few days as my skin got super sensitive. And it's not because of this, it's because I mixed this with actives. It still looked great, but I could feel that I was on the edge of going into massive irritation. I got lucky, but I definitely want to share that as my lesson learned is this is far more powerful than I gave it credit for. This is one really impressive serum. So if you are using this, definitely consider how you're going to build it into your routine. Maybe swap off using this morning and night so you can mix the other mornings and nights with your active. So day on, day off with different actives, or maybe you just don't use an active and just use this moving forward, or at least for the 8 weeks that you can use this. And if you do, I think you're going to see incredible results. As I was using this, my skin just glowed. It felt so vibrant. And I have been loving using this with the Jeudemeure DD cream. This is so luxurious. It is a fraction of the cost of my high-end luxury moisturizer that I love. And I gotta tell you, I will probably switch to this as it really is so powerful, and it actually has more ingredients than what I use already. It has what I really want to see, that niacinamide, the peptides, the hyaluronic acids, the ceramides, and this has adenosine, which is a K-beauty beloved anti-aging ingredient for tackling those fine lines and wrinkles that also works well with retinols, tretinoin, all that good stuff. So this is really fantastic. And together, this is one powerful duo. I'm gonna keep using it now that my skin has leveled out, but I wanted to get this video up just to give that warning in particular that this is far more powerful than I thought it would be. So pay attention to that. I hope you love this as much as I do. It's really quite impressive.